Submit course assignments and view feedback using assignments. This tutorial shows how to navigate assignments in Brightspace Learning Environment. Assignments is where you submit assignments for grading. Assignments are organized into categories. You can see how many submissions you have made and the due date for each assignment. Your score displays when an assignment has been graded and that grade has been published. Click View Feedback to access any feedback your instructor has provided. The feedback page can include general feedback, a rubric assessment, your grade, and the submitted file. Click Done to return to assignments. To submit an assignment, click the assignment title. Read any instructions provided. If a file is associated with the assignment, it displays in the Attachments section. Not all assignments require a file submission. You may be required to enter your work directly into the HTML editor or mark work completed in person as complete. For this example, file submission is required. To do this, click Add a File. Select the file's location, drag, and drop your file onto the upload target. Lastly, click Add to attach it to your submission. If you want to include remarks with your submission, enter them in the comments field. When you are ready, click Submit. A confirmation displays. Click Done. Submit course assignments and view feedback using assignments.